Hi everyone, it's Shannon. Welcome back to my channel. Now, before we even get started with this video, give it a thumbs up if you absolutely love the fall season. I know I personally do. I love Christmas. Obviously, I have a brand new Christmas channel, The Cozy Christmas Cottage. I will link that down in the description box if you want to go check it out. So that is my favorite holiday, but fall is actually my absolute most favorite season of all. So I've done some shopping both in store and online. That's a little bit different for me. I love to do shopping in store. I really need to see the colors of things and the scale of things and see how I would personally fit it into my home. Pictures don't always do it justice, so I don't usually shop online. But with our current situation, I have been doing a little bit of online shopping. So I have some actual decor pieces that are from Amazon, if you can believe that, and I'm really impressed with them. I actually may try to do it a little bit more than I did previously, even after all of this is said and done, just because they're such good prices and it comes straight to your front door. So I will make sure to link everything in this video down in the description box, so if you see anything you like, you can check down there. And then besides my Amazon items, I also have items from Target. I have quite a few from Hobby Lobby, even things from the Dollar Tree. So let's go ahead and jump right in. I want to show you the Amazon items first. Now this first item is a gorgeous tiered tray from Amazon. I will link it down below like I said. I have a tiered tray, but it is quite a bit larger and I was looking for something a little bit smaller. Obviously this is something that I can use year round, not just for fall, but that will be the very first thing this will be decorated in, and it's just a cute little round two-tiered tray. I love this metal detail handle on the top, and then it's also got three little wooden knob feet on the bottom, and it's got a nice chippy distressed look. I cannot wait to decorate this for fall. I really want to redecorate our entryway, and I'll pop up a picture here so you can see what it looks like right now. And so I jumped on to Amazon to see what kind of pillow covers they have. Usually I go to Hobby Lobby, but they really didn't have anything that was in this more modern vibe that I was looking for. So I found this set of 4. Can you believe, when they showed up, I couldn't even believe the awesome quality, especially this one right here. I'll show you all 4 of them, but this one I love especially. It has a kind of creamy color and textured kind of a crochet print on the front, and then it's also got really cool tassels on all 4 of the corners. Really heavy and nice pillow covers. These are all 18 by 18 inch size, I believe. It also came with this faux leather one. This was what I was looking for specifically. I just really liked this look. It goes with that cool boho vibe. Next is this black and white print one. Super cool. And then the last one is a white one with some modern black dashes on it, I guess you would say. But these are so nice, and I cannot wait to add these to our entryway. And the next item I actually don't have right now. It's on its way. I just got a text that it's out for delivery. It is a brand new rug that I found from Amazon, kind of an entryway rug. I believe it's like a 4-foot by 2-foot size. Again, I'll link these down in the description box so you can check Amazon for them. So make sure to come back. I'm going to do decorating with all of these pieces, so you actually get to see a full fall decorate with me. So you'll get to see the entryway, you'll get to see the tiered tray. So if you haven't subscribed, do that so you can come back and watch that as soon as I put that up. I cannot wait to do that. I'm so ready to decorate for fall. The last thing that I got from Amazon were these eucalyptus stems. It came with a set of 4. I could not find these anywhere. I went to Hobby Lobby, I went to Joann's, I went to Michael's, and they did not have eucalyptus, just plain eucalyptus in orange, and that is what I was specifically looking for. So I found it on Amazon, luckily. Really affordable, and I will link these down in the description box too. Alright, so I have a bunch of stuff in my bucket here, but I thought I'd show you the bucket first. While I was at Joann's, they had clearance, like an extra 40% off clearance or something. So this cool bucket, which really reminds me of fall, was on clearance for, it's really hard to see, I want to say like $2.90 something cents. And then it was additional 40% off. So I got this super duper cheap. So I grabbed that. And then the items in my bucket or my basket are actually from Dollar Tree. Some of these will be used for upcoming tutorials. So I'll put a link in the description box to tons of fall Dollar Tree DIYs. If you love those, I have tons of those too. Make sure to check those out. Some of these will be used in decor, some of these will be used in upcoming tutorials, but I have 5 of their wood pumpkins. I have 3 of these white guys. I have an orange one and a black one. These were new. I hadn't seen these before. This is going to become one of my fall projects, but it's super cute by itself. It's got a little love heart and some beaded detail on the top. Love this sign. It has kind of that shiplap background, and then it says Autumn Blessings with an orange pumpkin. I love this too. It has a buffalo check print on it that we all love. It says Blessed and Grateful. It's a cute little calendar with a little blocks that you can change. So I may actually do something with this, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on that upcoming tutorial. And then I always grab a few candles from Dollar Tree. You'll be surprised some of the really cute containers that they come in. They may not smell the greatest, and they're probably not like the most potent smell, but they have these great just simple glass jars with the more like fall amber tone candle inside. So I think this can be really cute, especially on my tier tray. One thing I did grab from Target was this brand new set of silverware. They had 2 different kinds of gold. They had more of like a polished brilliant gold, and then they had these gorgeous, more like dull antique gold looking sets. I love these. These are going to be so pretty with my fall place settings. And speaking of place settings, let's go ahead and jump into Hobby Lobby, where I purchased my place setting plates and chargers and placemats from. These are actually from their spring section, so not even from their fall, and they were 66% off. You guys have probably already seen these in previous videos. But I will show you in just a minute why these are going to be part of my fall decor. But I grabbed 4 of their chargers. They were $3.99 each and then 66% off. So maybe think outside the box. Maybe even if it's not in the fall section, look elsewhere where there's deals and bargains and see how you can incorporate them into your current decor. So that is an absolute great way to save money. Next are the placemats, which are also from their spring section. These were $7.99 and 66% off. I have 4 of these too, and the great thing about these, you can use them all year long, but I really love the warm tones of these natural fiber woven placemats. And then these gorgeous plates from Hobby Lobby are how I'm going to transition my summer into fall. So these are going to go in place of my white plates. And my hopes here in the she shed is to do a orange and blue theme for fall, which is very unique, something different. It's not the traditional colors of fall. Orange, of course, is, but the blue accent I think is just gonna be super, super pretty. I will put in a little pan here so you can see my idea for the place settings. These plates, I grabbed 4 of them. They are $11.99 right now and 40% off at Hobby Lobby. Now to pull in that blue theme, Hobby Lobby also has these great blue pumpkins. So I have 4 of these. These are also gonna go as part of my place setting. I already ripped the tags off these, so I can't remember the exact cost that these were, but they were also 40% off. Now I know I have tons, more than I need probably, of orange pumpkins, and I absolutely love texture too. So when I saw these little velvet blue pumpkins at Hobby Lobby, I grabbed these. Apparently I ripped the tags off these already too. Again, they were 40% off. I just grabbed 2 to kind of tuck in with those orange pumpkins. Same thing with these blue pumpkins. I thought if I need just a little touch of blue here or there, these little guys would be perfect. They come in 2 different tones of the blue, which I love too. And these were only $7.99 plus 40% off, and there are a dozen in here. Now I have some antique candlesticks that I got from the thrift store. They were like $1 a piece. And for the summertime, I had white candlesticks in them. So to update for fall, I'm going to add these orange candlesticks. They were only $1.29 at Hobby Lobby. I also grabbed one of these bags of pine cones. It has 2 different kinds of pine cones and also some acorns in there. So just things that we can tuck into little spots. I know I have bigger pine cones, but I didn't think I had any of the smaller ones, which is why I grabbed these. They are $6.99 and 40% off. I'm actually going to try and stay away from leaves this fall. It's at least in the she shed. There may be a few here and there, but I'm trying to do something a little bit non-traditional. So I hope you guys subscribe so you come back and see how I end up incorporating all of this. I'm really looking forward to trying it out, but I found these stems in the fall section at Hobby Lobby. They were $9.99 each. I wish I knew what these were called, but they're really pretty, really dark orange, kind of flowy flowers that are on little sticks that look like they're brown and fallish. So I thought these would be really, really pretty on this little fireplace that you see behind me here. So we'll see how these all come together. And then also, I really want to incorporate some blueberries, and I had a really hard time finding these too. I finally hunted them down. They're kind of like in with the kind of really not so good looking flowers, like with the wedding, like if you go past the wedding stuff, there's just a tiny section of berries in there. These were $9.99. I want to say I got them for 50% off. I may end up grabbing another bunch of these depending on how much I put and where, but right now I just grabbed the one bunch to see how it goes. But I love the way these guys look together. Isn't that pretty? These items are also from Hobby Lobby. They're from their spring section. So again, I was thinking outside the box, how can I use these items to work all year long or roll them into the fall season? So this is really, really cool. You could set it up. I think it's got a little hook on the back. It's like a scoop, but they turned it into a like wall vase. So there's a hook on the back and you can hang it on the wall. But I thought it'd be really pretty if you set it on the side and kind of tuck some flowers in there. So that's my idea for that. Found this really great milk jug. This looks already fall. Like you could just throw some fall flowers in here. This was $19.99 and 66% off. I've already taken the tags off this, but this is from their spring too. It says grateful on the front, which is the perfect word for the fall season where you are thankful and grateful and blessed. So I've already used this in my decor because it's white. It's very farmhouse. You could use this all year long, but I thought the saying was perfect for fall too. And this guy, I am so excited. I'm going to transform this in an upcoming tutorial. So again, subscribe so you don't miss that. This was $29.99 and it was 66% off. How cute is this? I just see this rolling from spring flower market cart to pumpkin patch cart to Christmas tree cart or a hot cocoa bar cart. So I don't know, this guy just gave me so many ideas. I can't wait to start working on him and give him more of a fall vibe. I would love to hear which one of these items was your favorite. You can leave those down in the comments below. If you love fall, give this video a thumbs up for me. If you haven't yet, please subscribe so you can become part of the DIY family. I have even more fall DIYs popping up on your screen, so you can check those out next. Thank you all so much for joining me today, and I will see you next time. Bye, everyone.